Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for taking the time. Really appreciate it. Today I'm so excited because once again I'm joined by Bongani Mthupha. He's a property investor, he's a finance professional, and today we are going to be recapping on our last conversation and also the progress he has made on his first project. So if you are a property enthusiast, please make sure to stick around, watch the whole content because we have a lot of content coming up and this is the first part of the series that is coming up. So let's go.
Skip on anyway, you good, my nigga?
Good, bruh. I'm good. I'm so hyped up. Today we are going to dig even deeper.
Yeah.
Because our last conversation, people were like, okay, who's this guy? Because I started posting content and people started to notice, oh, okay. So that channel, actually, most people thought my TikTok account was your account. The way it blew so much. So I started to like, oh, no. This Bongani. This Bongani Mthupha. So you can check him on Facebook. You can check him on other platforms. So I want us to start with, because there's a lot of people that are so interested in what you have in mind. Do you sort of plan to
share,
create not really share, but create a platform where you can share? Go back to sharing,
where I can share my social media platforms and stuff,
something like not really social media platforms, but maybe a YouTube channel or a podcast where people, because I feel like a lot of people are so interested in what you have to
no, not really. I think whenever, for what we can actually do, it's whenever I get a chance, I'll just bump into him and just answer some of the questions that you guys will pose to us, and then I'll just show up to his channel and just share as much as I can. But on this one, we're just planning to have a conversation, me and my guy. We're gonna touch on finances, we're gonna touch on investments, we're gonna touch on diversification of portfolio, business, entrepreneurship, and life in general. We're just it's gonna come up sort of like a podcast buffet. So niggas mind, it's raw, it's not scripted, it's unprepared. We're just chilling, we're talking about the reality of life and finances and the corporate world in general. So
do you know how many people I have invited to the channel? There's a lot of people that I've invited, and for you to turn out and say, no, bro, let's do it. I really appreciate that. I want to start with where you are, because last time Sikuluma, you were not even back at the corporate space. You were someone who's like, okay, I need to go back to the corporate space so that I'm able to fund the project that I've started already. Where are you with that now?
We are 90% done. We are 90% down. Away. We are 90% done with the project.
Okay.
Last time we spoke, we just spoke about basically what I gave people last time. It was just property investment 101, how to start, how to get into the space, and all that. But a lot of questions were like, people are confused. They are saying it's hard to actually to get into a property space because you and all that buffet. So we touched a little bit on easy equities. We touched a little bit on using other people's money, which is like going to a bank and approach private investors and stuff, so that they can fund whatever that you're planning to do. So we touched a little bit on that. It was just property 101. But I'm just interested in hearing the questions, man. And see where we're going to take it from here.
Hey guys, I hope you got something out of this video, and please make sure that if you did, you don't forget to like the video, don't forget to leave feedback, subscribe, so that you don't miss the next drop, because on the next few days we are going to drop another video where we dive deep on other ways you can use to navigate the property space. So if you're interested in learning other strategies you can use to get into the property space, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, so that you don't miss the next drop. See you on the next one. Let's go.